I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. Right near a warm front, a few thunderstorms are possible in the central and east this late afternoon and evening. Storms could be severe along and east of a line from Omaha to Seward, Superior, and Stockton. Main threats are quarter-size hail and wind gusts up to 60. Highs are once again in the 80s for tomorrow with near-critical fire weather conditions continuing in the afternoon and evening. Rain and thunderstorms are likely along and north of a cold front pushing southeast tomorrow night through Saturday. Few of those storms could be severe in central, southwest, and northeastern Nebraska tomorrow evening. Scattered precipitation continues for Saturday night into Sunday, wrapping up late Sunday night. Rain transitions to snow late Saturday night through Sunday morning. Snow accumulations of less than an inch are most likely along and west of a line from Valentine to Broken Bow, North Platte, and Imperial. Rainfall is expected to range from a tenth to a half inch, with the higher totals along and north of I-80. Highs drop into the mid-40s to the low 50s Sunday, rebounding into the 60s by Tuesday. Occasional chances of mostly rain continue Monday night through the middle of next week. For our long-term forecast, Nebraska temperatures drop to seasonal levels the middle of next week before turning back to warmer than normal late next week through April 9th. Kansas temperatures Tuesday through April 9th stay warmer than normal. Nebraska and Kansas precipitation indicated to be above normal Tuesday through April 9th, especially across Nebraska the middle of next week. Thanks to the wet snow of last week's blizzard, Nebraska saw very slight improvements in the regional drought monitor. 2% of Nebraska is still drought-free over the southwest and southeast corners. In central and eastern locations, along and east of a line from West Point to Grand Island, Kearney, and Elwood, there was a slight improvement from moderate drought to abnormal dryness. Many other areas of central, west central, and eastern Nebraska remain in moderate drought. Custer County and much of the Sandhills to north central Nebraska, along with much of the southern panhandle, continue in severe drought. Coverage of extreme drought still at 8% of Nebraska in the northwest panhandle to a little part of northwest Cherry County. Kansas remains at 10% drought-free, with drought-free conditions to abnormal dryness in the northwest corner, along with much of the west central and east. Atwood to Marysville in the north, and most of central and southwest Kansas are in moderate drought. South locations along the border from Meade to Wellington remain in severe drought. Key weather factors affecting the markets include active weather for much of the U.S., continued dry conditions in the southwest plains wheat areas, rain ending in Argentina, lighter rain for Brazil, and an improving chance for rain in the Black Sea region. A disturbance producing heavy rain in southern and coastal Texas produces additional amounts of 2 to 4 inches in the western and central Gulf Coast. Active weather expands near a front across the northern U.S. This weekend. Accumulating snow falls from portions of the northern plains into northern New England. Locally severe thunderstorms may occur in the mid-south and midwest. 5-day rainfall tops an inch in many areas from the Mississippi Valley eastward. Unfavorably dry conditions in much of the southwest expand into portions of the southern plains, leading to key western wheat areas missing out once again on widespread rain late this week and with another system next week. In much of central and southern Brazil, rainfall is becoming lighter for developing second crop corn. Except for Mato Grosso, soil moisture in much of Brazil should stay below normal. Towards Argentina, beneficial rains dry up for next week as corn and soybeans head into maturity. In the Black Sea region, limited soil moisture for wheat may benefit a little from improving rain chances next week in very dry eastern Ukraine and southwestern Russia. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.